Hello friends, welcome. My name is Sarveshwar. In this video, we would learn how to run vector error correction model in RStudio. For that purpose, friends, we need to install two packages. These are unit root and co-integration package and vector auto-regression package URCA and VARS. These two package you need to install, friends. These are two package URCA and VARS. Just install and use library command on these packages, then import the data you have. This is my data. These are the sport and futures data of two series, energy and agriculture. So I don't need to waste my time here, we can save here. So suppose we want to conduct a VAC model on these two series, energy future and energy sport. These are daily price data, friends, logged price data. One thing we need to ensure, friends, the variable we are running vector error correction model uh, following some Johansson co-integration method. If you find that two variables are co-integrated, these two variables are non-stationary and co-integrated, then we can use vector error correction model in that sense. So first of all, what we need to do, just make a data frame of these two variables, energy F and energy S, for future and spot market by using cbind column bind command. So now this is my new data frame that contains these two variables, energy S for spot, energy F for futures. Okay, friends. So now we for that purpose also, because VECM is nothing but a transformation of vector autoregression model. So we need to run var model with appropriate number of lags. Therefore, what I'm doing here, we are selecting some lag length. As per AIC, we are getting 10. The command is var select. Okay, friends, and just mention the data frame you are using for that energy we had created earlier, number of maximum lag length you want to consider, and which kind of model, only constant model I am using here. You can use intercept or sorry, you can use trend model as well here, and dollar selection just to extract this first line, because it has other part as well. So by using this command, I use AIC criteria, you can use any of them. So lag length for a var model is 10 here in our case. Now we would just conduct co-integration test, because for running VECM model, vector error correction model, it is necessary that both price series or both the variables we are considering, they are non-stationary and co-integrated. Okay, friends, so we conduct Johansson co-integration. In my earlier video, I had described how to use that. So I'm using eigen test statistic here. You can use trace because both give similar results. So if we test and we find that the the value we find here 49, the test statistic value for eigen test, which is more than 15.67, so we reject the null and say yes, these variables are co-integrated, we can estimate the vector error correction model. So friends, now we move to estimate the vector error correction model. Here the command is CAJORLS. This is the command by which we can convert the uh, earlier variable we had created here for Johansson test, coin test. Just use Kezo RLS command on it and you will having a VEC model. Again, friends, I am repeating it. When we run a co-integration test, we generate a variable that is co-in. You can have any name here. I am having co-in test. Okay, friends. What we need to do, simply put the command CAJORLS in front of them, and you would be having a VECM model. If you just click on it, this is your VECM model. Okay, friends, here we can see in $RLM we are having coefficient for energy spot, energy futures, and D stands for first difference, like returns, and here D is for difference, L is for lag 1, for lag 2, for lag 3. in this way for leg 9 because one leg we have lost in first difference. Okay friends, we inserted leg 10 but now we are having only leg 9 in the model. 9 legs of spot returns and 9 legs of futures returns, and this is the dollar beta, which is the co-integrating vector, which is almost 1 minus 1, which we have in case of spot and futures generally, and with the constant because we had put a constant in the model. Okay friends, again I am saying here we are having these two variables. D stands for differences, L for lag, difference lag 1 to 9, 1 we lost in first differencing, and this is the, in beta we are having co-integrating vector. So when we report these variables, this VCM in a research paper, what we need? This result, what is the co-integrating vector and what is the error correction term coefficient, this thing. Okay friends, we need to use them. So how to extract them? Okay, so we can use this command VECM, that is the variable we are generated here by, in this line if you see here we are generating VECM variable by using caso-rls command. Now we can extract VECM $RLM coefficients 1 1. It will give us the error correction term for first variable, and if we put 2 it would give us the error correction term for second variable 0.10 and 0.02, as we can see here friends, starting very starting 0.10 and 0.02. Okay friends, and similarly we can get the co-integrating vector as well by using this command VECM $beta 1 1 or 2 1. This like 1 minus 1, which we generally get for spot and future relationship. In different variables it could be different. So this is the way friends we use vector error correction model in RStudio. Thanks friends, keep watching.